Frontier 4195, just stop there, please. Stop, truck 1, stop. Sorry, truck 1. Stop, truck 1, stop, truck 1, stop.
A Bombardier CRJ-900 was on final approach and performed a normal landing. As seen in the video, the main landing gear touches down first, exactly as expected. But before the nose gear fully settles, a critical situation develops. A fire truck responding to another emergency is crossing the runway. Air traffic control can be heard urgently calling out, "Stop! Stop! Stop! Truck 1!" But within seconds, it's too late. The aircraft continues forward at speed and collides with a fire truck during the landing phase. The impact destroys the front section of the aircraft. Tragically, both pilots lost their lives. Around 40 people are taken to the hospital, including passengers, crew, and the fire truck personnel. Despite the severity of the collision, many on board survived. This incident is now classified as a runway incursion where both an aircraft and a ground vehicle occupy the same runway at the same time. An investigation is now underway, focusing on ATC instruction, timing, and runway coordination, especially why the vehicle remained on the runway despite clear warnings.
The odor, we will need to go into any available gate at this time.
Okay, roger that. Hey, this is Ed again. Do you guys have any gate for United? Because now they're declaring an emergency. They want to get out. Yeah.
Let me ask them. I'll call you right back.
Okay, roger that. Jet 646, LaGuardia.
There with you for GILS 4 for Jet 646.
646, number 2, clear to land 4.
Close to land number 2 for Jet 646.
And 2384, do you have a gate available at this time? Otherwise, we will be probably requesting air stairs.
Give me 1 second.
2384.
Stand by, United. Who's the vehicle needed across the runway? Emergency vehicles calling on ground, or are you calling on tower?
Truck 1 and Company, LaGuardia Tower.
Truck 1 and Company.
Truck 1 and Company, LaGuardia Tower, requesting to cross 4 at Delta.
Truck 1 and Company, cross 4 at Delta.
Truck 1 and Company, crossing 4 at Delta.
Frontier 4195, just stop there, please. Stop, truck 1, stop. Sorry, truck 1. Stop, truck 1, stop, truck 1, stop.
4195, we're staying here.
Delta 2603, go around, runway heading 2000. Jet 646. Jet 646, I see you collide with a vehicle here, just hold position, I know you can't move. The vehicles are responding to you now.
Is the runway closed?
Delta 2603, go around, runway heading 2000.
Heading 2000, go around, Delta 2603.
LaGuardia Tower.
Tower, Carnes, to reiterate, LaGuardia Airport is closed.